footsteps on the sandy shore. Girl, every night I want you more. Seganira o Daulomani, Noqu, you belong with me. From the first time you said bula, I felt that fire under the vula. After dark in the island breeze, just you lying next to me. No marama, hold me tight, let the lolly drum through the night. Weekend vibes by the seaside, one drop rhythm, slow ride. From the roots of Avanua, you're my forever bula. Silver lights glowing down the bay, music floating where the lovers stay. Steel guitar crying soft and low, reggae sway nice and slow. You whisper Noqu, any beauty out. Girl, you know I don't know how. Your love sweet like vodka Lolo, one taste and I lose control. Under stars lit a coral reef, you're my peace, you're my relief. So to tell if we fall apart, but I feel you deep in my heart. After dark in the island breeze, just you lying next to me. No marama, hold me tight, let the lolly drum through the night. Weekend vibes by the seaside, one drop rhythm, slow ride. From the roots of Avanua, you're my forever bula. You're my forever bula. Morning sun rising golden red, but I'm still lost in words you said. Daulomani written in the sand, washed away but still we stand. From village roads to seaside bars, slow dancing under island stars. Seganira, so this love so deep, even in my sleep it's you I keep. And our bogey core don't say goodbye, let's just watch the moon climb high. Noqu beats your name, island love will never change.